how to add custom icons on Wix. So I have in here this button and it has an arrow icon. Now I'll just head over and add here custom icon by heading over in here onto the design option. Now we have in here this design. So click on this customize design that you can see right here just below everything. Now we have in here a lot of options. Just click on this icon and then we have in here this icon option. Alternatively, you can also click on this layout and then you can choose in here the display for the text and icon option. Now for this icon that you want, you can just add another icon if you want to as well, but just putting in here the button layout. Now alternatively, you can also just go right here to your add elements option. And then from in there, you can hover to the part of the buttons and you can upload a button icon that you want, or you can just choose from which one you have right here. So that's how you add custom icons to Wix. Hope we helped.